We have already learned the singular and plural forms of the different words. Singular means just one and plural denotes many or more than one. Now, there are some words like dog, egg, pen which form their plurals by adding s, whereas there are other words like glass, bus, brush, box, branch which form their plurals by adding es at the end. Now, King Vikram, who was the ruler of the kingdom of words, he wanted to make all the words happy by giving them companions. He now called the fourth group of words. Let us see what kind of words were there in the fourth group. So the fourth group contains words like mango, potato and some other words. So words ending with O. So the fourth group has words ending with O. Let us see how they form their plurals. Now for the words ending with O, they form their plurals in two different ways. The words which end with consonant plus O, that is, the words which have a consonant before O, belong to the ES group. That is, they form their plurals by adding ES at the end. And the words ending in vowels plus O, that is, the words which have vowels before the O at the end, they belong to the S group. That is, they form their plurals by adding S at the end. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of English language. So, the words which have vowel plus O at the end, vowel and an O at the end, form their plurals by adding S. And the words which have consonant and O at the end form their plural by adding ES at the end. So words like mango and potato. If you see, mango has O at the end, and what comes just before O? G. Now G is not a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O and U. So G is a consonant. So this is a word which has consonant plus O at the end. Same goes for potato. Potato has O at the end. And just before O is T, which is a consonant. Let us see how these words form their plurals. So there is just one lonely mango which is sad. When another mango joins it, they become happy. And how is the plural formed? Mango becomes mangoes by adding ES at the end. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. Mangoes is the plural form of the word mango. So mango forms its plural by adding ES at the end. So mango, just one mango is singular, M-A-N-G-O. Now whenever you see a word ending in O, you need to see the letter just before O, which is G. G is a consonant. So what will be the plural of mango? M-A-N-G-O, mango. And because we have G before O, we need to add ES at the end. Mangoes is the plural of mango. Potato means one single potato. But if I have more than one potato, it is plural. What will be the plural form? So before O, there is a T. That is not A, not E, not I, not O, not U. So it is not a vowel. It is a consonant. For consonant, I need to add ES at the end. So consonant plus O means I need to add es at the end. Potatoes is the plural of potato. So add es after potato. Now can you give the plural forms of these words? Hero. What is the plural form of hero? It ends with O, and just before O there is R, which is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So it will form its plural by adding es at the end. Consonant and O means adding es at the end. So hero, H-E-R-O, and then I add es. Heroes. What about tomato? O, and just before O there is T, which is a consonant. So tomato, and I need to add es at the end. It becomes tomatoes. So tomatoes is the plural of tomato. But there is an exception to this rule. What is that? Photo. In photo, there is O and a consonant before O, that is T. So it should form its plural by adding es. From what we have learned, the plural of photos should be photos, something like this. But actually, this is not correct. Photo forms its plural by adding an s at the end. The plural of photo is photos. P-H-O-T-O-S. Photos. There is yet another exception. Commando. So it ends with O, and before O there is a consonant D. So it should form its plural by adding es. The plural form should be commando and then es. But this is not the case. The plural form is commando and then an s. So simply write commando and then add an s at the end. Commandos is the plural form of commando. So photo, commando are some exceptions to this rule. Now stereo. In stereo there is E-O at the end. So it ends with O and it has a vowel E just before O. This is one stereo. So singular is stereo. A-E-I-O-U. E is a vowel which is placed just before O. So what will be the plural form of stereo? That is, when we have more than one stereo, vowel plus O means I need to add an S at the end. Remember, not ES, only an S at the end. So it becomes stereo and an S at the end. Stereos. What about radio? So once again in radio, there is O at the end and just before O, there is I, which is a vowel. So the plural form will be R-A-D-I-O and an S at the end. Radios. So radios is the plural form of radio. So for words ending with O, you need to check the letter just before O. If it is a consonant, then you need to add ES at the end. And if it is a vowel, then you need to add S at the end. Although there are certain exceptions to these rules. Now can you identify the correct plural form? So we have audio over here. O is preceded by I. So I is a vowel. So we have vowel plus O, which means that I need to add an S after this. So audio and then an S after that. will give me audios. So the correct form is this, audios. Echo. What is the correct plural form? So it ends with O, and just before O there is an H. So words like this which end with consonant plus O form their plural by adding es. So echoes is the plural form, ECHOES. So among these three, this is the correct plural form, echoes with an es. What about volcano? So volcano has an O, and just before O there is a consonant N. So I need to add es at the end, volcanoes. So the correct form is this, volcano plus es, volcanoes. What about video? In video there is an O, and just before O there is a vowel E. Now it will form its plural by adding an S. So videos is the correct plural form. Videos, which is formed by adding an S, videos. So this is how the words ending with O like mango, potato, video, radio were given their plural forms. The words which end in consonant plus O form their plurals by adding es, and the words which end in vowel plus O form their plurals by adding s. So take up different examples of words ending with O and form their plurals. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.